Getting good data is not easy, but you do need a framework. That's how you start, and you start with good internal controls. And this is good internal controls on the outgoing data, so the data that goes out from the agencies. You need to examine the data elements that are there. You need to develop standards for these data elements, so you need groups to get together and agree on what an obligation is, what an expenditure is, and other types of things that we use in a common language. When it goes out that way, and when it comes back that way. So we need to have user community, recipients, etc., who are trained, educated, and told on how to report. And then we need to have systems that can use the technologies that we have now to make sure they don't make a mistake, or who can pull out, examine the data when it's brought in and say this doesn't look right, and go back to the recipient right as soon as they're putting it in so they can correct it. Or you need to have people who look at certain things and interact with their recipient community to make sure that they get the data correct. So it begins and ends, in my mind, with the framework and with the internal controls that go along with it. If you don't have someone providing oversight and guidance on the data, or who are actively managing the data collection process, you're not going to be successful.